Start your practice by finding a comfortable position on your back. You may wish to support yourself with pillows beneath your head or knees, or a blanket over your body. Give yourself a few moments to arrive and settle, focusing on your body softening and relaxing into the support beneath you. Guide your awareness to your natural breath as it moves in and out of your nose. Observe the subtle coolness of your inhale and the gentle warmth of your exhale. Pause here for a few breaths, eventually allowing your belly to rise on your inhale and fall on your exhale. Breath by breath, imagine your entire body sinking into the surface beneath you, creating a dense, grounded, and weighted sensation. Feel the muscles loosen their grip, bones yielding to gravity, and your back body widening into the support beneath you. Allow your limbs to grow heavier with every exhale, carrying all the weight you no longer need to hold. Now begin to visualize roots growing from the parts of your body touching the floor. Visualize roots extending from your legs, hips, lower back, mid-back, upper back, and head. As you inhale, imagine these roots extending downward into the earth. As you exhale, see the roots spreading wide across the earth, creating a strong and stable foundation. With each inhale, the roots grow deeper, and with each exhale, they expand outward. Continue this visualization with your breath for a few more moments. With time, sense the Earth's energy traveling up through the roots as you inhale. Feel this grounding energy rise through your body, filling you with stability and strength. With each exhale, release any tension or stress back into the earth, trusting that it will be absorbed and transformed. Maintain this visualization for a few more moments. grounding energy rising into your body. Tense energy moving down out of your body through these roots. When you're ready, invite some gentle movement into your fingers and toes. Slowly shift your body to reconnect with your surroundings. Open your eyes and take a moment to notice how grounded and steady you feel. Our practice is now complete. If you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more meditations like this. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you in the next one.